What's up, family? Tanya here. I want to share with you my Dollar Tree container gardening haul. Let's see, everything came from Dollar Tree. It's time for me to revamp my containers because now I'm going to just be doing pretty much container gardening, and we have a lot of wildlife in our backyard, and so hubby's probably going to put a fence, or he might put a can, something. We're gonna have to cover our plants. But I'm gonna start over here with the soil. I'd rather get like small bags of soil. Soil can get heavy. So, for us ladies, it's nothing wrong with this soil. This is potting soil. I got 6 of those. Let me show you that special potting blend for indoor and outdoor use. Blended for proper drainage and support. It's a 0.25 cubic feet. It says, yeah, so I've used this before. It's good. I pretty much got 6 of everything, mostly. Here's some new seeds. And I got carrots. I have cucumber. They took all the tomatoes. I went to 2 stores. They're very close by. Got some basil, sweet peppers, green peppers, hot peppers, carrots, and some chives. I still have some 2023, 22 seeds too. And they work. But I always need to have some up-to-date seeds. And then I love, these are my favorite. I'd rather use these cups than anything anywhere else. You get 12 seed cups for $1.25. I used to get them for $1, of course. And so, but these go fast. They have great drainage holes. So I got them in this size. This is, and that's a 12 pack. And then the bigger ones come in a 6-pack. These are good for your tomato seeds. Okay, so I got, at each store I went to, I got a few. So I got some more here. I think my ring doorbell might be picking up this audio, but it's okay. Okay, then I got some other containers, another planter. And in my area, this stuff goes fast, honey. So if you're into at least trying to start a small garden, this stuff. My plants grow just as well in a Dollar Tree pot as anything from Home Depot or any fancy garden center. Okay, then you get your plant labels. Got those. And I like my plants and pots to match the house or to coordinate with the house. So I got like 6 of these. So they got great watering holes. You got some watering holes, so just make sure that all of your planters and pots have drainage holes. Okay, I got more of these. I like using cups better than trays. Okay, and here's some other pots. As the plants progress, they get into a bigger pot. Excuse me. Just scarfed down some French fries that I shouldn't have, but it's been months since I had a French fry. Okay, so I got 6 of these. I got 6 of each pot. 6 of the terracotta. You see where you can punch the holes out in here. 6 of these. And then I got the coordinating planter trolley. Because I'm not going to be, when that stuff gets heavy with dirt, you know, I'm not going to be lifting them. So you just get a nice trolley. They got all this at Dollar Tree. And just put your plants there and it'll spin around. If you need to, you know, spin your pots around to get different angles of sunlight, that's what we do there. Got some more pots here. And then the matching trolley. And everything's stackable, so it doesn't take up a lot of space. And my favorite thing here are my stackable. You can like stack your pots like that. You see how this groove is right here? You just pop it and you can stack them. I normally stack them like five high. Okay, so we got that. Trying to find room. Okay, and then I got more trellises. About 5 more of those because I already have like 2 left. And last but not, oh no, I didn't show you guys everything. Then you got my gardening hat. Every year I need a new gardening hat. So I got 2 of these. Later in the summer, I'll need another one. Let's go on and get it now. And oh, I got more seeds over here. And all the tomatoes were gone around here, but I got some lettuce, some carrots. Stuff falling all over. I got some lettuces. I got some marigolds. They're good for pest control. Then I got my citronella incense sticks. Had it really neat. I can buy American Seed. They have these seed starting greenhouses. So, oh, I didn't mean to get this. This was just in there. Hope she didn't ring me up for this because I didn't want that. Someone else must have put that in there. Okay, so I got this seed starting greenhouse. So I always need, you know, a little mini greenhouse. Okay, so that's how you can affordably, I always keep a bunch of these around. 12-pack and the 6-pack. And so that's how you can affordably start your container garden with good quality items. The seeds are awesome. The soil is awesome. And they're pretty. And I don't like my backyard. I want my back patio to look nice and coordinated and beautiful foliage that we will eat. And then, like I always keep like every year you can go to Dollar Tree, you'll see these just watering cans, and then I like to coordinate, of course. Y'all know me. Got my coordinating gloves. I'm gonna go with this color this year. Then you have your nozzle, water nozzle. Got my rake. Got my snippers. It's all good. All good, fam. Okay. So I'm getting things junky now. Okay, guys, so just wanted to share that with you. This is the time right now, March, early March, to start getting this stuff, because, like, you know, I got a lot out of there. So, and other gardeners in your area will be, you know, starting early. So, and like I said, in my area, they've already gotten the tomato plants. So, because if you go to Home Depot and Walmart and get the actual plants, they have gone up so much on these plants. And I'm going to grow my own, because I eat a lot of salads, a lot of tomatoes, cucumbers, and I've been very dissatisfied with the quality that I'm getting. The prices are going up, quality's going down. And so here's some tomatoes. So I got some last year, and they work just as good. They'll work this year too. Okay, family, thank you so much, and I hope this gave you some inspiration. You can start small, and you don't have to make a big investment just to do a container garden on your patio, your back deck. You know, just you can take $25 and start a nice little garden. You know? All right, guys. Thanks so much. See you in my next video. If you like my vibe, hit subscribe, join the tribe, and hit that bell notification so you will be notified the next time I upload any new content. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. All right? Bye. Bye. Bye, Mom.